Hello, this is Josh and Catherine from Spectacle Views.
And we are back at Prometheus Esoterica.
Yes, we are here for their Ren Faire overlay, and it is themed to
the plague. So I've seen plenty on Instagram, lots of sneak peeks, and there is a plague doctor, there's little
plague cart,
lots of goodies from local vendors, local artists
some
as well.
metalsmiths,
So yeah, some metalsmithing,
some leather workers, a lot of accessories and pieces that you can buy for a Ren Faire or even a con if you need.
Yes, so we're very excited to get in there and check it out. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you guys?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Good.
That was awesome.
Yes. Welcome to Medieval Fantasy.
Oh yes, we've been looking forward to coming here, checking it out.
So, yeah, there's so many new goodies, so please take your time around the store. Let me know if you have any questions.
Okay.
And then I'm sure you guys heard about the raffle as well?
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes.
So,
Yes, thank you.
and feel free to get some photos too. You can actually sit in the plague cart too if you guys want to take pictures over them.
Cool.
Yeah. I need a ring.
Yeah, we got a little Eye of Sauron clip. It's fun. And here's the little bags here.
Thanks for coming, guys. Have a great weekend.
This is a different dress from what you
Yeah, that one's different.
It's a baby shirt.
Oh, here's cool belts. Hello. I'm doing good. How are you?
Good. Wherever did you guys go?
I know, right? No idea. No idea.
The parade of you guys.
Yeah.
Thursday
I'm
was
sure.
hysterical.
I'm sure.
I love to see you wear that at work.
Yeah.
We were like, dang it, we really want to go to Prometheus too.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm glad you made it.
Did you have a good time?
Oh, it was a blast. It was a blast.
But otherwise good. Yeah.
It's cool.
I don't know what it is.
Oh yeah, it goes on your finger. So yeah, so it's here.
Oh, okay.
So it could be like a finger puppet, but also like for archery and stuff. It's really
Okay.
fun. Yeah,
That's
and then
cool.
the tail goes around your wrist, and then it locks back in on itself.
Okay, that's really
okay.
cool.
Yeah, through the slit. Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
That's cool. Okay. Interesting. Where's that guy? Oh, there's another one here.
Is the girl with the blue hair still in here? The one with blue hair?
Yeah.
There's this little.
Oh, you have dark.
I have Cerberus.
No, not dark. Cerberus.
Yeah.
This is the other one. I don't think so.
Yeah.
I wanted her so bad that I just bought her off of
Did
Macari.
you? Oh my god, that's hysterical. Oh, she's got
She has like a, it's like a, yeah, it's like a,
Does it come off?
yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Stop,
she
and
has
then
a
she's
little-
got.
She's got an extra eye.
Okay. Dag now, but I'm gonna.